Mountaineer Nation, we're going to reel you in to the 5th annual Bob Huggins Fish Fry, presented by Little General Stores, Friday, February 3rd at the Milan Park Expo Center in Morgantown. Come celebrate the greatness of West Virginia while raising funds for the Norman May Huggins Research Cancer Endowment Fund and remember the Minor Scholars Program. Cast your line and help Coach Hugs hook a cure for cancer. So don't let the big one get away. Huggy Bear's Fish Fry. I'll be catching you February 3rd.